Hey guys, welcome to the first video of this channel, and today I'll be showing you how you can earn like this amount of money very easily. So the website name is picoworkers.com, and I have the link in the description. If you join through my link, you will get $0.5 as a referral bonus. Alright, $0.5 only if you join through my link. The link is in the description. Alright, so when you click on the link, you will come to this landing page. Alright, the picoworkers.com page, and here you can see login sign up. Just click on sign up. It's a simple sign up, nothing complex. So just fill in with your real name, email, nickname, password, select country, and then click on I agree to the Picoworkers terms of service and privacy policy, and then click on sign up. That's it, done. Then verify it. You will get an email in your for verification. Click on the verification link and verify it. Alright, now let me log in. So click on login in and just put in your details, and then click on the Picoworkers. After you sign up through my link and then login in, you'll get this page. Okay, so look in the find my job section, section, you will see many jobs there. 1116 results. Okay, 1166 results, my bad. So this many jobs are there for you to complete, and you will get this much amount of money. Look, the first one, rated upvotes, you are getting $0.03. Maximum it would take you 30 seconds to finish this job. Okay, so like this, there are many jobs like marketing test visit, like visiting a website, then submitting the link. Okay, that's it. And then the employer will approve your tasks and will pay you immediately. Okay, so look, let me click on one, rated upvote. So see, look at this. What is expected from the workers? Like, what you have to do, just read it carefully, and then required proof, your username of the Reddit, and then the instructions. You will follow the instructions, and by following the instructions, you will be able to complete the job very easily. Okay, look, very easily. Then submit the proof. Click on submit proofs. You are done. Alright, so like this, you have to complete the jobs. There are many jobs available every day, and very easily you can even pay out. It might take less than 1 day for you to reach the threshold. The threshold is, I guess, 5.8 something dollar. Let me check where is it. It's here only. Go to wallet. Okay, look for withdrawals, request withdrawals. Look, you need at least $5.75 in your earned balance. Okay, when you have over $5.75, only you can then request for withdrawal. Okay, and there are many options for withdrawing, like for Bitcoin, PayPal, Skrill. Okay, so that's it, and it's very easy. The withdrawal process is very easy, and within 10 business days, you will get your your money. Alright, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.